The Bartercard Cup, successor of the Lion Red Cup, was the top-level rugby league club competition in New Zealand from 2000 until 2007. For the entire life of the tournament it was sponsored by Bartercard. The cup was administered by the New Zealand Rugby League. The tournament was discontinued by the NZRL in 2007 and was replaced by the Bartercard Premiership in 2008. Franchises. The format of the competition changed several times over the life of the competition, and in total 24 clubs or franchises competed. In the first season half of the clubs were from Auckland, but as the competition went on more and more franchises represented the provinces. The Canterbury Bulls were the only franchise to compete in every season. Seasons. See also: New Zealand Rugby League, Rugby League in New Zealand. External links. Past results from NZRL at archive.is, archived 2004-11-06. Longest game in living memory.